guys, we'll be doing the JavaScript algorithms and data structure project, and that is Caesar Cipher. So Caesar Cipher is the most simplest algorithm for encrypting kind of, so that you just move the letter, this one, 13 places ahead or 13 places behind. This is called ROT13. So in this we'll be using the SI keys. So we only want the letters that are from 65, that is capital A, and to 90, that is capital Z. We not care about any other letters because we only care about the caps letter from A to Z. A has to become N, and similarly Z has to become M. So yeah, let's just start. So we will first need a variable that is a result. Result is basically what we will be returning in later stages. Now let's just create a for loop so that we have all the letters of the string so that we go through all of them. So let I is equal to 0, then you can have I is less than string dot length, and then we just want to increment the value, so I plus plus, so that we want it to loop through each and every letter and check whether it is there or not. Now since we are using the SI keys, we need to know the SI value as well, right? So the first and foremost we will have var num, which will be, you can have string in brackets I, basically the letter that is being looped at the time, for example S. So S dot char code at, basically it gives us a number. So for us A, it will be giving us 65. Now what we can do is, we can see, if we add 13 to A it becomes N, but then if we add 13 to N it becomes the bracket. So we only want letters. So from A to N we want something to happen, and O to Z we want something to happen. So if num is greater or equal to 65, and then you have num is less than or equal to 77, then we want this to take place. Then you can directly write it, or you can open the bracket. So we can do result plus equals string dot from char code. Okay, char code add gives us the number in the SI value, and from char code gets us a string from the SI value. So what we can do is, we'll just write it down to make it clear. Yeah, num plus 13, basically we want it to get incremented by 13, so A should become N and B should become O and C to P and so on. Now if num is greater or equal to 78 and num is less than or equal to 90, we want it to decrease by 13. So let's see how this works out. So we can have result plus equals string dot from char code, same thing again, but this time we will do num minus 13. What is num? Num is the SI value given at that time. So char code num minus 13, and if you see now there will be one mistake, that all of them will be joined but there will be no spaces and everything, but we want the spaces to be there. So we can do num should be greater than 19 or num is less than 65. Basically any character that we do not care of, not capital A to Z list. So what we want is result plus equals string dash I, because we want those letters itself in a list. Okay, so with the letters we can try to run it. Wait, let's just console log it better, so just see if there is any error. Console log is the best way to debug in a sense, so you should get habituated to using it. So yeah, we get the proper results. Let's just run the test and see. Come on. Yeah, I forgot to mention there you can use else statement as well, but then to just make it more clear to understand what we are doing, I have used that if statement there. So wait, we failed oh, okay, we are not returning the result itself. Okay. Congratulations, you have completed 60% of getting your second free codecamp certificate. If you want to watch more solutions, click on the playlist on the right, and if you want to watch a video, click on the left.